Another what? This is another structural formula. On what? On ANE. On what? ANE. And I know you have known how we classify this under what? ANE. It is a what? Single bonded what? Molecules. All together. Now let's try to apply the earlier rules on this. Firstly, naming the what? The longest chain. Determine the longest chain. How do we? Let's count like this. Like this. What? 1, 2. If it is this one, 1, 2, it's still the same thing. Can we count this one? No. It is chlorine. It is substituent. Can we count this one? No. We can't count this. We can't count this. We can't count this. Are we? Yeah. Now that means on this side we call it what? Hectane. Carbon number 2 is what? Hectane. Are we together? Yes. Now let's count again. Can we count like this? No. Check. This is hydrogen. This is carbon. This is chlorine. We can't. This is settled. What of this can we? No. Hydrogen, hydrogen. We can't. This is also cancelled. Can we count like this? No. Yes. Yeah, we can count like that. Sorry for that. We have carbon here. 1, 2, 3. Are we? Which will be what now? That pro, which is what we are under AND, which is propane. Now can we count like this? No. Because we have bromine here. If you count like this, this is bromine. And if we decide to count like this, 1, 2, what of this one? Can we? No. We can't. We can only have this one, but we can't have like this. So if we are to have only this one, 1, 2, this auto hectane, how we? So there is no need for that. We can't count like this. How we? That is 1. Then that means what we end. What? Propane and ethane. That's the only thing. What is the longest chain here? It is what? Propane. Like how? 1, 2, 3. That is how we count. Or start from here. 1, 2, 3. Propane. Are we? Now, what are the substituents? Our substituent is this one. Is this one. What follows? Nothing else. These are all hydrogen. Now let's begin. Now the point of view. Already we have counted this CH3. No, assuming we didn't count this, it becomes substituent. That means if we have another carbon like this, this will now be propane. We don't count this again. But now we have counted it to this one. 1, 2, 3. Now it is not more substituent. Once you join them with it, it has become a what? Father's name. Compound name. Are we together? Now that will now be what now? This will now be 1, 2, 3. Or you can't. 1, 2, 3. The point of view here now, for those people watching this video, don't forget to like and also share. And drop your what comment on the comment section regarding this and what you are still battling on the nomenclature. And let's see your view on that. Now, what is the next thing? Now, are we to count like this? 1, 2, 3. Or we should start counting like this? 1, 2, 3. How would that be? Can someone tell me from that angle? Godwin, how are we going to? Is it 1, 2, 3? Or 1, 2, 3? How are we going to start like this? 1, 2, 3, right? That is nice. I think those people watching too know how we arrive to start counting from here. Cause check, where is our substituent? We have B and we have C, bromine and chlorine. Naming alphabetically, there is another rule. B comes before C. Now you check where B is closest to, the carbon that is closest to. Now if we start counting like this, what? 1, 2, 3. 3 what? Bromine will be on carbon number 3. Is that? Now, if we start counting like this, 1, 2, 3, bromine will be on carbon number 1. 1 bromo. Now, please and please, my advice is don't go for this. We start with the shortest chain, which is this one. Now, that means we count like this. 1, 2, 3. Now, bromine is on what carbon? Naming alphabetically. Substituent, what comes first? B before C. Now, what would that be? 1 what? 1 bromo. You see what we put? Ivin. Numbers, alphabet. You put Ivin. What follows? Do we have any bromine again? No. What follows? The only substituent we have left is chlorine. It's also on what? Carbon number. That's where we started. Then you continue. You can't still come here. Continue from where you started. What with that? 1 again. It is also found on carbon number 1. Ivin, because of the number. Put another Ivin. What would that be? Chloro. Because it is ordinary 1 chlorine that we have. Are we together? Is there any more substituent here? No. What is the family name now? Family name is what? Propane. So that is the answer. 1 bromo, 1 chloro, propane. 1 bromo, 1 chloro, propane. The assignment I'll give you on this one is that let's try and Let's try. Change this one. Change it to C2H5. Let's see your own working on that, and let's see if you're actually right. Please apply the rules and you get it. This is bromine. Then let's make this C3H7. Now, then make this iodine. Now that is the assignment. The assignment will be make this. This is chlorine. This is chlorine. This is chlorine. This is carbon. Carbon bonded to carbon. This is bromine. This is ethyl. This is ethyl. This is what? Yeah. Let's put fluorine. C2H5. Let's put fluorine. This is carbon bonded to ethyl, iodine, fluorine. This is another carbon bonded to propyl, ethyl, and bonded to carbon. This is carbon, bromine, bonded to bromine, bonded to what? Chlorine. Please and please try and solve the assignment for those watching and drop it on the comment section for we to see. Please try, apply the rule. Believe me, you will get it. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, more blessing. I still remain my humble self, Akorede Oluwayinka, assigned at what? Academic online class. Thanks for watching.